Imagine pressing a button and instantly burning thousands of dollars. Not crashing, not breaking anything, just flying. Every minute in the air, the Dassault Falcon $900 silently converts fuel into distance and money into time. Owners don't ask how fast it flies. They ask, how expensive is 1 hour of freedom? Because the real shock isn't the purchase price, it's the clock. The Falcon 900 was designed for range and comfort. 3 engines, ocean crossing capability, corporate boardroom in the sky. But jet economics doesn't work like cars. You don't pay per trip. You pay per hour, whether moving or waiting. Pilots are on duty. Systems are running. Support teams are scheduled. Let's break the hourly cost illusion. Fuel, maintenance reserves, engine programs, crew, insurance, navigation fees. Each flight hour activates all of them. And unlike airlines, private jets spread cost across very few passengers. So every seat carries enormous financial weight. Now the biggest shock, maintenance reserves. Jets prepare for failures that haven't happened yet. Operators set aside money every hour to fund future overhauls. So while flying perfectly, the aircraft accumulates repair bills in advance. It's financial gravity. Here's the twist. Long flights are actually cheaper per mile because fixed hourly costs dominate fuel burn. Short hops are the most expensive missions in private aviation. The jet was designed for distance, not convenience. So what is the real hourly cost? Thousands of dollars per hour, often approaching the price of a small car every flight. And that's before ownership expenses. Hangar, training, software databases, compliance updates. The aircraft charges for existence, not just movement. The value is time compression. Multiple meetings, cities, and countries in one day. Airlines optimize seats. Private jets optimize decisions. When executives save days, the hourly cost disappears in business math. The aircraft isn't transportation, it's acceleration. So, how much does a Falcon 900 cost per hour? Enough to sound impossible, but cheap, compared to lost opportunity. Because the aircraft doesn't sell luxury, it sells time. Subscribe now. The next aircraft we reveal costs less per hour, but more per mistake. And once you understand why, aviation economics will never feel logical again.